Hey guys, welcome back to Just Doing Me. Don't watch my room in the background, it's a little bit messy, but that is okay. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my new beauty room. I said a few weeks ago that I kicked out my housemate. I'd asked him to leave, not for any like drastic reason. It's just that I'm getting to the point now where I feel like I want to have my own space back, and I'm building like my brand, I'm building my channel, and I just felt like I wanted my own beauty room alongside my bedroom in my property. So this again is another part of my leveling up vlogmas series, and I'm going to show you guys how I leveled up my space. So when he moved out, the place was an absolute mess, so I'm going to show you guys the before and show you guys some of the work that I did to the foundation to get it looking good, and then we'll play the tour. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, you know, and hopefully I can help maybe inspire, give you a bit of a creative idea if you're thinking of leveling up any of your spaces. I know one of you reached out to me via Instagram that you were going out shopping to get some bits for your home because you saw my stories. So yeah, I love hearing things like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think of my new space in the comment section. Play the tape. So this is my spare bedroom. God, I forgot how small it was. I don't know how he's managed in here this whole time. It's a fucking state though. Time to transform. Come on, bloody carpets.
Why yo, classic. Oh na na na, oh na na na. I remember then when we done it hustle for the street, knowing one day you go pay. And I was start having the belief, me I get paid too. No retreat, no surrender. On one of the rules of the game. No retreat, no surrender. My brother, keeping your head up high is the way. I wanna say thank you to my fans, Tori Kwangwami. God bless my fans, so Tori Kwangwami, daddy. No matter what the country says, all I do is win. No matter what the hustle says. Yeah. Anywhere we enter, now we dey shopping. Anywhere we enter, now we dey ballin'.
Nothing venture, nothing gain. Baba God, we dey pray, make the hustle no in vain. We put years in this, blood, sweat, we put tears in this. We done the road from a young age, hit the studio all night for a long day. We put years in this, blood, sweat, we put tears in this.
It's all about the music, like a beat and some lyrics. The fans came along when the street started to feel it. Simone ain't no gimmick, being honest with the illest. Started from the scrotum, gotta make it to the totem. Can I get a gunshot? Woo! Let the fans know it's one love, cause you know the hustle's non-stop. To all my people's on top, on top.
All I do is win, no matter what the country says. All I do is win, no matter what the hustle says. Yeah. Anywhere we enter, now we dey shopping. Anywhere we enter, now we dey ballin'.
So guys, we're about to enter my beauty room. It's one of the bedrooms in my property. It's the smallest one. It was a single, and yeah, I always have the door open, and we're about to go on in. So it's quite a small room, so the tour won't really take too long. Hi, it's Mimi. It's Mimi. Hi, it's Mimi. It's Mimi. It's Mimi. Okay, so when you come in, I've got this absolutely gorgeous mirror. I got it on Amazon and it is fabulous, full length, luxurious, just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I will link anything I got from Amazon in my description box. I think this was £180. Like, if I come in so you guys can see that detailing, so frigging pretty. And I feel like a large mirror helps make this quite small room seem a little bit bigger. I went for kind of like a peach, pink, white and silver kind of. It's very difficult for me to explain the color concept, but it all seems to really work together. So I'll come over here to like my beauty station and kind of like my office. I got this table from Argos. I really wanted a clear desk. It just looks sophisticated, sexy, and it really matched the chrome feel that I wanted to get in here. And then I also moved the plastic clear chair from my bedroom into here, and then I put like a really nice grey fluffy pillow through that as a little statement piece. If you come over to my desk, I've got my Mink statement mug from my store, as well as this is like my phone, just my phone case. That's where I normally keep it. Okay, so then I've got like my little makeup counters. Now I get these little plastic makeup compartments. I get them from a store in the UK called Wilkinson's, but I know you can get them online, you can get them on Amazon, and they're filled pretty much with everything. There's a lot of Fenty in my collection. I've got a lot of rose gold as well on this desk, so this mirror lights up. It's rose gold, a lot of Fenty rose gold lipsticks in here and lip glosses, rose gold brushes. Those are really just for ornamental purposes. And then yeah, my standard kind of like everyday go-to makeup, and over here as well. And then here I've got my palettes. I've got my Manny MUA Life's a Drag palette. I've got the Juvia's Place palette. I always try and support black owned brands whenever I can. I've got a lot of sleek makeup here as well. And then I come up here to my windowsill. I've got this potpourri jar, which I love. The jar came with these like really cute pink pieces, but I put the pink potpourri inside to just accentuate that piece. And then I got these little baubles. Obviously it's Christmas time, so there's lots of baubles going around, but these aren't just Christmas decorations. I'll keep them around all year long. I just removed the like little ribbon to attach it to the tree, and they just help bring the color scheme together. Now you may have noticed I've got a lot of lighting. Your girl needs lighting when she's filming, but this lamp right here, I always wanted a tripod lamp. It's super elegant, super sophisticated. Like, it just makes the room, in my opinion. It's super cute, and it's not actually that good when I'm filming because it's usually behind me, but this one's like my filming lights, and sometimes I use this lamp over here as well. So cute. And I've got these little boxes down here. I use that to do a lot of storage. So I put my hair straighteners in there, a makeup mat, a little heated fan in there. And over here as well, I've got the exact same thing, but I use this one here as a stool. It's so cute. I really love that color. And when I'm taking selfies in the mirror, you can kind of see it. And I just love the way it looks. I've also got this rug that I got from Amazon. The first one I got was not the right color. I sent it back and they sent me the rug in silver and white, and it's just cute. Super, super cute. And if I come to my statement wall, I wanted a wall that would be really visible and really like dramatic and cute in my selfies in the background behind this mirror. So I went to Desenio. I've seen a lot of their stuff on YouTube, and I bought these large pictures and picture frames. I love this one by Coco Chanel, which says keep your heels, head and standards high. It's just a great little quote that motivates me. And then I've got this picture here. I can't quite decide who that is. I think it's Ciara, but I'm really not sure. But it just looked like a fashion editorial piece, so I really wanted that in my backdrop. And then I got this statement clock. Like, it's huge. Like, look how big this is. That's a big clock, y'all. That is a big clock, but I really like it. It's such a statement. And again, in my backdrop, that just rocks. Okay guys, I'll bring you over here to the shelf that again, when I'm filming, is in my backdrop. I love this because I didn't want it to be too crammed, but I wanted to put some really nice statement pieces on here. So let's start here. I've got my perfumes. I use a Viktor Rolf, Gucci, I think one of them is by Rihanna, Zara, and me and my best friend. She's no longer with us, but I love that photo from uni. And then I also got this painting from Disegno, this frame rather, from Disegno, this picture, and it says she designed a life she loved. Now I don't know if that's a quote by anybody, but I just love those words. Like, they really speak to me. I truly believe that you create the life you want, you know. It doesn't just happen. Good things don't just happen. You have to go out and get it. And then obviously I've got my Just Doing Me statement backlight in here. And then coming up here, just got quite a few little candles and my JBL speakers. I just put them there because they're pink and they go really well with the tone of this room. I've got like my Gucci belt and Gucci bag, again just to make a statement, and a few designer sunglasses, Gucci sunglasses, Prada sunglasses, Michael Kors. And then again, some more potpourri bits up at the top. I need to fill that picture frame, but I'm not sure what I'll fill it with. Hopefully soon we'll get one of the YouTube plaques, like 100,000. And then I can pop that up there. And then the only other thing worth showing you guys is my Christmas tree, which I'll show you guys how I put it together. It's super cute. I haven't got the lights on at the moment, but it's the smallest, cutest little tree. And guys, I think that's it. I think that's my tour. Oh, and maybe just this light piece up here as well. Like, I love this light piece. It can be quite annoying because it's quite low hanging and I bump my head on it all the time, but it's such a gorgeous, like the way it reflects the lights, super gorgeous. So guys, that is my tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'll try and link as much of the items as I possibly can in my description box. But again, that's another bit of my level up series. I've leveled up my space and turned this dusty old room into something that I'm super, super proud of. I'm Amy, Just Doing Me, looking good, feeling good, keeping it very casual today. I'll catch you guys soon. Besos.